Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today, being 9th August 2024. The Morse code for today is faucet, FAUCET. First thing you do is to go to daily cipher. When you click on the daily cipher tab, the interface will change to this red color. So to get the F, which is the first letter, you do 2 dots, 1 dash and 1 dot, 1 2 dash dot. For the A, you do 1 dot and 1 dash, dot dash. For the U, you do 2 dots and 1 dash, 1 2 dash. For the C, you do 1 dash, 1 dot, another dash and another dot, dash dot dash dot. For the E, you do just 1 dot. For the T, you do 1 dash. That's it for today's video, guys. Click on take the price here. Ensure you claim your daily cipher for today. Please share, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.